So what you can also do inside of Microsoft Designer is upload out your own media by using Google Drive. So to do that, you need to go around onto the My Media section right here. Then you can see that Google Drive is an option. So once you go around and click around over here, you are prompted to connect your Google Drive account into Microsoft Designer. So you need to go around and click on this, and what happens is that you get the sign in option. Then over here, you can go around and choose around your account right here and then allow right here. So as long as you're signed in onto your Google account, then this is what you have right here. So I'm signed in and I'm connected over here on my Google Drive, and you can see your profile over here as well, as you can see. And then what you can do is you can go around and choose out the images that you have inside of your Google Drive right here. For example, over here you can see that I got some drawing files and so forth, and as long as the images and everything is supported, you will be able to see right here. So in my case, you can see that I got some folders right here, but they don't have images, and in my root folder there are images right here. So you can go around and select these right here and click on upload, and what happens is that they will be uploaded over here on the My File section. Then what you can do is you can simply go around and bring out those particular images over here on your project, like these ones right here. So you can see that this is uploaded as well. So let's just go around over here onto Drive over here and select this image out and upload this out as well. And you can see that it is being uploaded right here, just like this. And now you can go around and bring in this file right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z and bring it down over here separately right here, just like this. And then this is what you have. Then you can simply go around and utilize this out right here to arrange out the pictures as you like. So that is how you can go around and then upload out your own media from Google Drive account. That is by linking out a Google Drive account inside of Microsoft Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.